In this tutorial, we delve into the intricacies of adjusting the TX power settings on MikroTik RouterOS for an optimized Wi-Fi experience. Opening the wireless interface. We navigate to the TX power section and observe the available parameters. Currently, modern equipment supports the TX power mode parameter set to all rates fixed, allowing manual adjustment of the wireless transmitter power. Other operating modes, such as card rates and manual, are not supported by the current drivers of modern equipment, indicating compatibility with older models. Unfortunately, many 5 GHz interfaces on MikroTik devices do not provide the capability to display the current power of the wireless transmitter. We can examine and evaluate this feature on 2.4 GHz interfaces, as demonstrated in our example with the LAN 1 interface. The default value of 17 dBm in the TX power parameter indicates that we are currently using 50 mW, as seen in the dBm/MW conversion table. However, it's not as straightforward. Most MikroTik RouterOS devices are equipped with 2 antennas, each adding an additional 3 dBm, bringing the total added power from the antennas to 3 dBm. Thus, we reach a power of 20 dBm/100 mW. In essence, 100 mW is the maximum power allowed for a wireless transmitter according to standards in Europa. So 17 dBm is the maximum setting we can choose. While it's possible to set higher values for this parameter, they don't necessarily contribute to quality Wi-Fi. The issue lies in the fact that the maximum signal level that the equipment can output is the maximum signal level on your access point. And it's unlikely that the client device can produce such a powerful signal. Wi-Fi is a bidirectional communication system. When we need a response from the client, there is a situation where we start shouting at the client, but the client responds with a whisper, indicating that it hears us, yet we don't receive a response. This scenario prevents the client from functioning. Therefore, increasing the power level of our wireless transmitter doesn't make much sense. Most wireless devices, especially portable electronics, have a power output of approximately 20 to 50 mW, 13 to 17 dBm. Considering that we have 20 dBm in total with the antenna, we can equate this characteristic to the power levels of our clients, specifying a signal level not as 17 dBm but, for example, 12 or 13 dBm. This results in a higher quality Wi-Fi, a smaller coverage area for our wireless signal, and consequently, fewer neighboring wireless networks hearing us, causing less interference. Additionally, this enhances the security of our network. If working with wireless bridges, where 2 MikroTik devices are placed at a considerable distance from each other and where we can adjust the power of both the receiver and transmitter, higher values can be specified. However, when MikroTik is used as an access point, inflating these values doesn't make much sense. In conclusion, mastering MikroTik Wi-Fi optimization, especially in the realm of TX power settings, is a key step toward building a robust, efficient, and secure wireless network. Balancing power levels for effective communication, reducing interference, and enhancing security are not just technical considerations. They are strategies to elevate the overall quality of your Wi-Fi network. Whether you're configuring wireless bridges or optimizing access points, these insights empower you to make informed decisions for a network that meets your specific needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care.